Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ryan from Chatt Sports Cards and Breaks, and in this video we will be breaking a box of 2019 Topps Baseball Update Jumbo Hobby Box. In this box you get one autograph and two relic cards. It was just released yesterday and it seems to be very popular. I've seen a few breaks on it with some pretty cool stuff getting pulled out of it. I did pick up my boxes, and we'll go ahead and break this one and hopefully we can get some good hits. Now in the Hobby Jumbo box, you do have, I believe it's 10 packs with 45 cards per pack. You also get two exclusive silver packs that come in the box and one oversized top loader. Get these pulled out here. We will save the silver packs and the top loader for last. Kind of move these to the side here. Alright, here goes pack number one. Hopefully we can pull some of the big rookies out of here this year. Alright. Let's see, we've got Austin Tyler. Oh, we've got a Kevin Biggio rookie card. That's nice right there. Craig Kimbrell. Alright, let's flip these around here. We've got Merrill Kelly rookie card. Martin Perez. We got a Pete Alonso rookie debut. That's a nice card right there. Jesus Sucre. Adam Halsey, rookie. Mark Reynolds. Taylor Clark. Derek Dietrich. Kevin Cron, rookie card. Edwin Encarnacion. I probably just butchered his name, but. And we got a Jacob deGrom All-Star Game card there. I did actually just pull a one of his out of the Clearly Authentic. And we've got Samuel Coonrod and Travis Bergen. We got a Jake Bauers rookie card. Not sure if that is a short print or not. Renato. Jonathan Lucroy. Matt Albers. Pedro Severino. Luis Castillo. Parker Markle and David McKay, rookie combos. And our first gold card is Josh Naylor. And that is 1775 out of 2019. And our 150-year card is Jonathan Lucroy. And we've got the Family Business Ronald Acuna Jr. I like that card there. And I see some color here. We've got a Cole Garrett, 1984 style. And Walker Buehler, blue. Doesn't look like it's numbered. And let's see here. We've got Martin Russell. David Robertson, Joey Gallo All-Star, Greg Rowland, Gary Sanchez, All-Star. Yan Gomes. Aldis Chapman, All-Star Game. Tyro Estrada, Rookie. Paul DeJong. Sonny Gray. Record-breaking month, Los Angeles Dodgers here. Javier Baez, All-Star Game. Montana Durapu, Rookie. Michael Chavis, Rookie card. Rookie debut. We got a Freddie Freeman All-Star Game. Of course, as I've said before, that is my wife's favorite player right there, so we'll be setting that one aside. Michael Brantley All-Star Game. Melky Cabrera. Curtis Granderson. And Carter Kieboom, Rookie. All right, here we go. Pack number 2. Go ahead and turn some of these. All right, and we have a Spencer Turnbull, Brian Dozier, Keston Hiura, rookie card. That's another nice hit right there. Joe Kelly, Mitch Keller, rookie. Junior Guerrera, Tommy Edman, rookie. Avisail Garcia. And we got divisional foes. Looks like we got Harper and Freeman there. That's a kind of a cool card. We've got Chris Paddock, rookie. Another nice one. And we've got a Vlad rookie. Vlad Jr. rookie. Brandon Brennan. Rookie. Jose Iglesias. John Ryan Murphy. Yasmani Grandal. Ryan Helsey. All right. And Hansel Robles. Homer Bailey. Tim Beckham. And a Max Muncy All-Star. And we got Christian Walker. Apologize for the snapping that you're hearing. I got a cat that's trying to join me up here on this. And we have Scott Alexander. Queen City Kings. And we've got greatest players, Alex Bregman for the Astros. And we got a rainbow foil, Andrew Kisner. And we got Brad Roxburgher. And we got a 1984 Roberto Clemente. And we got a Pete Alonso rookie, Home Run Derby. So far, we're hitting a lot of the good big rookies here. Dwight Smith Jr., Brandon Kinsler, Austin Allen rookie, Justin Bauer, and Frankie Montes, Jurickson Profar, Hector Neris. We got a Christian Yelich All-Star Game. And we got Jose Abreu All-Star. Matt Chapman All-Star. Ty France Rookie. Tommy Conley, Luis Arez, and looks like we got a Christian Yelich, 14 homers in April. Travis Bergen, rookie. Jock Peterson, home run derby. Shedlong, and Marcus Stroman, all-star. All right, let's move on to pack number 3 here. Still looking for that auto and 2 relics. Hopefully we can get good ones of both. All right, we got Nick Ramirez for rookie card. Man, a lot of good rookies here. Asdrubal Cabrera. And we've got Gregory Soto. And we've got DJ LeMahieu. Brian Reynolds, rookie card. Freddie Galvis. Alex Jackson, rookie. Trevor Cahill. Peter Lambert, rookie. Ryan Harper, rookie. Mike Moustakas. I believe he had a pretty good year. Adam Warren. And we got another Keston Hiura rookie debut, rookie card. Another variation. I believe there's maybe 3 variations or so of that, the way it looks. Robbie Grossman. And we got a Nick Senzel rookie debut, rookie card. And Mishiro Tanaka, All-Star Game. Another Pacific Power. And we got rookie combos, James Bork and Jake Knoll. We got Jared Walsh, rookie card. We got a Clayton Kershaw, All-Star Game. Another Walker Buehler, All-Star. Kyle Bird, rookie. Ian Kinsler. Josh Harrison. And we got our next gold. Hyunjin Ryu. And that is numbered 1788 of 2019. And our 150 is Renato Nunez. And we got old school Frank Thomas here. I like this card. Number 1 draft pick. Iconic card reprints. I like it. And we got a Cole Tucker 1984 style rookie card. And Nicky Lopez rookie. Richard Clayton. Jake Odorizzi, All-Star Game. All right, we got a Mike Moustakas, All-Star Game. Martin Maldonado, Michael Brantley, Chris Bryant, All-Star Game. Kevin Pillar, Carlos Santana, Home Run Derby. Edwin Diaz, Shelby Miller, Wei Chi Huang, I think that's how you say it. Apologize if I butchered your name. Rookie card. Nick Marjaviscus, rookie card. Probably butchered that one too. Hey, we got a Mike Trout All-Star Game here. That's a nice card there. Xander Bogaerts, All-Star Game. James McCann, All-Star. Chris Paddock, rookie, his rookie debut. And Josh Van Meter, rookie. That is the one nice thing about these hobby jumbo boxes. You do get a lot of cards. And at the price point, they're somewhere around $139 a box. So not too bad of a price point considering some of the other stuff that's out there. All right, we got Jason Martin, rookie. And it always starts off with the 1, and then you've got to turn another handful of them. All right, still looking for that autograph and the memorabilia cards. Lurie Garcia, Zach Plasek, Tommy LaStella, Devin Smeltzer, rookie, Annabelle Sanchez for the Nationals. All right, Harold Ramirez, and we got a Yonder Alonso, and Mike Tauchman, C.J. Cron, Cal Quantrill, and Steel City Bashers. I'm going to have to go back through these cards and figure out what's a short print and what's not. We got Southside Warriors, and we got a Shane Bieber All-Star Game card, and a Jose Barrios All-Star, Kyle Dowdy, rookie, Richard Lovelady, rookie, Andrew Miller, and we got a Chris Sale 150, and we got a foil here, Ramil Tapia, and let's see, 1984 Michael Brantley. All right, what do we got here? We got our first relic. It is 150 years Thurman Munson. Pretty neat. And it is not numbered. But there's our first relic. And Brad Boxberger. Billy Hamilton. I guess Update did not update the fact that he's on the Braves now. But still a cool card. Royals are one of my favorite, or the Royals are my favorite team, and the Braves is my wife's favorite team, so he'll be one to set aside there. And home run base shout out. And another Vlad rookie. Different rookie this time. J.P. Crawford. All right, and we got Tanner Rourke. JT Realmuto is a phenomenal catcher there. Phenomenal catcher. Luis Sessa. We got Mookie Betts All-Star. Zach Britton. Another JT Realmuto All-Star Game. JD Hammer, rookie. JD Martinez All-Star. Joe Biagini, Charlie Morton, and Blake Parker. All right. And moving on here. We're almost at the halfway point. We got, hey, look at that, right on top. Another Pete Alonso rookie debut. We'll take that. Jesus Sakuru. Adam Halsley. Rookie. Mark Reynolds. Taylor Clark. Derek Dietrich. Kevin Cron. Another Edwin. All right, looks like I just found our other relic as well. Thomas Pannone, rookie. Jordan Luplow. Griffin Canning, rookie. Alberto Hansler. Soaring in the 6. Sandy Alcantara, All-Star. And we got another Jacob deGrom All-Star card. Rookie combos. And we got a Jake Bauers rookie. And we got Mookie Betts. Greatest players. Hector Neris, 150-year stamp. And we got a 1984 Ted Williams. And right there, oh, wow. This is pretty sick. That right there is the Mike Moustakas All-Star Game patch. Event worn memorabilia, it says. Let's see if it's numbered. It is numbered, 1 of 1. That is a 1 of 1 Mike Moustakas All-Star Game patch. That is sick. Wow. I'm stoked. This is my second 1 of 1. This is amazing. Congratulations. That's the back of the card. You've received an All-Star Jumbo patch from 2019 Topps Update Series. It says the relic contained in this card is from a workout jersey worn during the MLB All-Star Game festivities. As we all know, he probably put it on for 30 seconds and took it off. But still, it's a pretty sick patch, and it's a 1 of 1. That's awesome. That is awesome. I'm totally stoked here. Wow. Well, let's hope my autograph that's going to be in here is equally as good. All right, let's go on. We got Francisco Lindor All-Star. And let me flip these around here. Oh, I saw Acuna in there. We got a Kevin Gutierrez, rookie. A.J. Pollock. Brad Boxberger. Another Billy Hamilton. And we've got a Nick Anderson. I almost thought this was one of the special cards by the background. Rookie there, one of the parallels. And we got Trevor Story. And David Dahl. And we got Acuna Jr. All-Star Game. This is a pretty sweet looking card right there. I really like the way that looks. And we got an Alex Bregman All-Star. Matthew Beatty. Kyle Barraclough. Jonathan Shoup. George Polanco All-Star. Josh Bell All-Star. Ian Gomes. Aroldis Chapman All-Star. And Thairo Estrada Rookie for the Yankees. Whew, I'm still stoked about that 1 of 1 right there. Wow. And it's one of those things where when it comes to a 1 of 1, I pretty much don't even care who it is. It's still cool to have the only card like it. All right, we got Nathan Eovaldi. Another Michael Chavis rookie. Marwin Gonzalez. And we've got to flip cards here again. And we got Skybolt rookie card. Dude with the most epic name. And Neil Walker. Cole Irvin rookie card. Luke Weaver. Will Smith. Travis Deonard. Eloy Jimenez rookie debut. Tyler Austin. Another Kevin Biggio rookie. Craig Kimbrell, sorry. And let's see here. Alright, we got Merrill Kelly rookie. Scott Obert. Carlos Santana All-Star. Another rookie combos. Brandon Klein and Matt Witherspoon. And we got Hyun-Jin Ryu All-Star Game. And we got another Soaring in the Six. Another Sandy All-Star Game. And another Jacob deGrom All-Star Game. And another rookie combos. Travis Bergen and Samuel Coonrod again. And we got a Greatest Players Mookie Betts. And we got a foil, Robbie Grossman. And we got a Carter Kieboom in the 1984 style. Alright. Let's see, we've got Shane Green All-Star. Corbin Martin. Aaron Brooks. Russell Martin. David Robertson. And we got Joey Gallo. Trevor Story. David Dahl All-Star Game. That Trevor Story was also an All-Star Game. And another Acuna All-Star Game card. Still think that card is cool. And let's see here. And we got an Alex Bregman All-Star Game. Matthew Beatty. Kyle Barraclough. Jonathan Shoup. George Polanco All-Star. Josh Bell All-Star. Ian Gomes. Aroldis Chapman. Another Tyro Estrada rookie. Paul DeJong. Sonny Gray. And record-breaking month Dodgers. All right. We are down to 4 packs and still no auto. Let's keep on. Whew, I'm still excited about that 101. Wow. Absolutely awesome. Love it. All right. Alex Colon. And we got Braden Bishop. Marco Estrada. Adrian Sampson. Francisco Lirano. I'd really like to pull one of those Frozone cards, those short print Frozones. Another Kevin Biggio rookie. Derek Holland. And we got a Mike Yastrzemski rookie card. Nice one there. Michael Pineda. Yusei Kikuchi rookie card, rookie debut. So a variation of his rookie. Omar Narvaez. Tyson Ross. And there's Dallas Keuchel. Love that pitcher. He did have a great year with the Braves this year. John Duplantier rookie, or Duplantier. Snake Celebrate we got. And Griffin Canning rookie debut. Parallel Poise. This is kind of a cool looking card too. That's a great shot that they got there of that one. And we got a Will Smith All-Star. Charlie Blackmon All-Star. Sergio Romo. Kevin Polawecki. Another cool one right here, Hunter Pence. I do have some cool shots in here. Justin Verlander, All-Star Game. And Greatest players, Lou Boudreau. And we got a foil Nick Senzel. Another good rookie there. And we got a 1984 Robinson Cano. All right, Adam Jones. Jose Suarez, rookie. And there's another Robinson Cano. Andy Diaz. Another Francisco Lindor All-Star. Some of these that we've already seen, I'm just going to skip over. Kelvin Gutierrez, rookie. A.J. Pollock. Yasmani Grandal All-Star. Whit Merrifield All-Star. Great player right there for my Royals. Fernando Tatis, there he is. Rookie card, his rookie debut. Another good rookie there. And we got the Vladimir Guerrero home run rookie card. Variation. I think we might have the set of those now. And we've got Brendan Rodgers rookie. A Josh Bell home run derby. Another Nick Senzel rookie. And Richie Martin. Mike Ford rookie. Nick Hundley. Wilson Contreras, All-Star. George Springer, All-Star. Daniel Vogelbach, All-Star. I wonder if the Astros are going to be able to pull it out. All right. On to pack number 7. Or 8, actually. Sorry, pack 8. I can't count, apparently. All right, we got another Pete Alonso rookie. All right. Jesus. Adam Hansley. Mark Reynolds. Taylor Clark. Derek Dietrich. Kevin Cron. Another Edwin. Do some flipping here. All right, Thomas, rookie card. Jordan Love, Griffin Canyon, Hanser Alberto, Lane Thomas, another Jake Bowers rookie. Just a ton of rookies. Renato Nunez, Jonathan Lusra, and Matt Albers. Pedro Severino, Luis Castillo, All-Star. We got Parker Markle and David McKay. And we got a Mike Soroka All-Star game. And we've got, it looks like a gold Shane Bieber All-Star game there. And that is numbered 534 of 2019. Shane Bieber, gold. And we got a rookie combo with the 150 right there. And we got an Ernie Banks throwback Cubs card. That's another nice looking card there. I like that. And we got a CC Sabathia. Your pitcher for the Yankees, 1984. And we got another family business, Ivan Rodriguez. Greg Holland. Gary Sanchez. And we got the 3,000 strikeouts right there for CC. That's a cool looking picture right there with the stadium in the background. I really like that. Josh Naylor, rookie. Mike Sharon. And another Carter Keyboom. And a Javier Baez. Javier Baez All-Star. Montana Durapu. Rookie. Michael Chavis rookie. Another Chavis. And we got another Freddie Freeman All-Star game there. Nice. Michael Brantley All-Star game. Melky Cabrera. Curtis Granderson. And we got another Carter Kieboom rookie. Yasiel Puig. Josh Donaldson. Finally good to see him in a Braves uniform in a set. And we've got an Acuna Jr. home run derby here. Domingo Santana. And Brandon Woodruff All-Star. All right, last two packs. Which one's got my auto in it? Or maybe if I'm lucky enough, we have two autos. I don't know. All right, we got Austin Meadows on the back and Mike Zunino on the front. There's Cole Tucker rookie card, but not the one I'm looking for. I'm looking for that Frozone. Hopefully we can pull that. That would be sweet. Adam Jones. Sean Anderson rookie. Trevor May. Brendan Rodgers rookie. Matt Strom. Hey, there we go. Austin Riley rookie card. Another good player right there. He's got a lot of potential. Jose Alvarado. And old teammates catch up, reunited. It's kind of a cool card. Still like these pictures that they're getting of some of these players. That way. All right. We got a Paul Goldschmidt. Nate Lowe rookie card. Wade Miley. Kevin Herrera. We got a Jeff McNeil All-Star Game rookie card. DJ LeMahieu All-Star Game. And rookie combos. We got Kyle Dowdy and Kyle Bird. Trent Thornton rookie. Miguel Castro. Adam Ottavino. And we got a Brad Hand All-Star Game. And we got a gold rookie here, Pedro Avila, and that's 862 of 2019. Right there. And we got a Joey Votto, established in 1869. This is a cool looking card right here. I like that. Not numbered. Still a super cool looking card. All right, we got a Jake Bowers 150 stamp rookie. Oscar Mercado rookie card, 1984 design. And let's see here. Luis Rengifo, Drew Pomeranz, Corbin Martin rookie, Darwinzon Hernandez, Wilmer Flores, Pedro Avila, and Gio Urshela, Ketel Marte. That guy was tearing it up before he got hurt. All-Star Game. Cody Bellinger All-Star Game. And we got another Pete Alonso rookie All-Star Game here. Nice. Matt Festa rookie. Dylan Moore rookie. And we got another Austin Riley here. And Jordan Lyles. And right here we've got 2,000 RBIs. Albert Pujols. And Elvis Luciano. Alex Bregman. Home Run Derby. Oscar Mercado, rookie. Lucas Giolito, Amir Garrett, and Austin Meadows, All-Star Game. All right, last pack. So hopefully we've got some last pack luck here, is what I'm hoping for. And we hit a big auto. Big auto. All right, I'm just going to try and not find the auto. Flip these cards around. Whoops, I think I almost popped the auto out there. All right, we got our Ramil Tapia, Andrew Kisner, rookie. Justice Sheffield, rookie. Josh Fuentes, rookie. As you can tell, I'm kind of speeding up here. I'm kind of excited about this. Nathan Eovaldi, another Michael Chavis, rookie. Marwin Gonzalez, another Skybolt rookie. And we got a Neil Walker, Cole Irvin, rookie. Luke Weaver, Will Smith, rookie card. Travis Denard. And we got another Eloy Jimenez, rookie debut. And Matt Chapman, Home Run Derby. And Iced Out from the Red Sox. Juris Familia. Scott Oberg. And we got Carlos Santana. All-Star Game. And seen this rookie combos before. And we've seen this one. Man, this is the pack we're repeating here. And we got a Willie Mays for the greatest moments. And all right, let's see what we got here. Justice Sheffield foil, rookie card. That's nice. And we got an Eloy Jimenez, 1984 rookie. I think the next one should be our autograph. And it is Lane Thomas of the Cardinals, 150 year. Legacy of Baseball. And that's numbered out of, that is numbered out of 150. 132 of 150. Nice auto there. I like that. So not a bad hit. Was hoping to, obviously, for a Tatis or one of the big guys there, Vlad, but hey, I'll take it. Did get that 1-of-1. All right, so we got a Kurt Casale, Nolan Arenado, All-Star Game. And we got a Shane Green All-Star. And Corbin Martin again. Aaron Brooks. Eric Swanson, rookie. And we got a Gleyber Torres All-Star Game. That dude swings a big bat. And we got a Lance Lynn. All-Star Game rookie John Means. Nick Anderson rookie. And we're back to the Trevor Story. David Dahl. And another Acuna. Another Acuna All-Star. Alex Bregman. Matthew Beatty. Kyle Barraclough. Jonathan Shoup. Jorge Polanco, All-Star, and Josh Bell, All-Star. All right, well, that concludes the break of this box. I'm extremely pleased with it and excited. I got that first 1-of-1. or not first one of one, second one of one, but we can recap it here. So we got a Lane Thomas auto, rookie auto, Legacy of Baseball. And here's that one of one, Mike Moustakas. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Sick patch on it too. And then we've got the Thurman Munson 150-year commemorative, not numbered. Still a cool card. And for foils, we've got a Justice Sheffield rookie, Nick Senzel, Robbie Grossman foil, Ramil Tapia foil, and Andrew Kisner rookie foil. So some decent foil cards there. And the gold cards we pulled are Pedro Avila, Shane Bieber, Hyun Ryu, and Josh Naylor. Those are our gold that we pulled. All right, we got an Eloy Jimenez in the 1984, Oscar Mercado. This cool looking Joey Votto. Still think that's a super cool looking card. CC Sabathia, Ernie Banks throwback, Robertson Cano, Carter Kieboom rookie, Ted Williams throwback, Michael Brantley, Cole Tucker rookie, a Frank Thomas. That's a super cool card too. I love this one too. Roberto Clemente, and a blue Walker Buehler. I can't believe it's not numbered. I always thought these colored ones were numbered, but I don't see a number on it. And Garrett Cole. Yep. All right. Now let's get to the bonus packs here. We'll go ahead and start with the box topper. Every one of these comes with a 1984 throwback box topper, and we got Chris Bryant right there with the 1984. It's a cool looking card. And now for our bonus packs. Right here, hobby exclusive update series trading cards, bonus packs. Let's go. Let's go. We got Blake Snell. And Mitch Keller. Rookie card. Oh, Fernando Tatis. Look at that. That's a good looking card there. And we got gold. And we got Brandon Lowe. For the Rays, rookie card in gold. Let's see if this is numbered. It is. This is 30 of 50. 30 of 50 there. Nice. This has been a great box. Great box. All right, and we've got one more of these packs to go. And this pack, maybe the fact it doesn't want to be opened is hiding an auto in it. Come on, give me an auto out of one of these. And we've got a Gary Sanchez, Rafael Devers, Griffin Canning, and a Carter Kieboom. Nice. Another Carter Kieboom rookie. Man, and he is a running. Look at his face. He is a running. Another sweet card there. All right. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm still stoked over that one of one that I got there. And out of those bonus packs, got some pretty great cards there too. All in all, I would say this box was really, really good. I hope you all enjoyed it, and have a good night.